has to without it. Take as Margot. There we go. This is the bodybuilding part of the show. Watch. Come on, flex those muscles. Good fertilizer, good for the chickens too. Is on her legs. If you don't know what that is, yeah, it's not painted on. It's tattooed on. And it's there for good. There we go. I'll give it to her. And she's going to moisturize herself. Make herself all shiny. Yeah. Yes, you can just give her the cream, don't touch her. Not allowed. Esnevia a la coconut. If I could just have you back, Christina, please. Thank you. That's a free Oh my goodness gracious. She's covered in it. All right. What you see here is a very essential part of our culture. The chief's daughter, all dressed up, ready to entertain. At the end of any papimpiana or entertainment, we have the taupo. Tonight is no exception, and we are very happy to present the Tawaluma tonight with Afionga Telesa Fuatino Christina Paul. Her attire, from the top, you see the mirrors, yeah, you can buy those at Frankie's. The chicken feathers, yeah, you can get them from the yard, you know, just... And then you have the headband. This is a very, very essential part of our culture. It's only worn, the tuinga, or the headpiece, is only worn by certain ladies. Chief's daughter. Also this is part of our culture we're very proud of. The men have the full pea from here down to here. The ladies have it from here to here. It all happened a long time ago when some women from Fiji changed the story. So instead of the women being tattooed from the waist down to here, we just do it from here to here. Thank God that happened, because it's very painful. Was it very painful, Christina? How long did it take them to do your malu? 4 hours. 4 hours? I thought you were going to say 4 days. You're a very brave young lady. Anyway, the siapo, we do it all here. Thank you, Christina. Yeah, you can go get ready for your tawaluma. All right, then. That's it. That's the end of the show. But first, we'd like to thank you for being here. Because